5 mice set out from home on a hunting spree. 1 mouse stayed behind, now there are 4, you see. 4 mice excitedly started playing a tune. 1 mouse got a coughing fit, 3 were left too soon. 3 mice fearful said, let's run back to our cozy place. 1 mouse didn't heed to continue the chase. 2 mice sitting together, both were good and kind. 1 got eaten by a cat, 1 was left behind. The last one remaining got married, don't you see? His wife was quarrelsome, and that was misery.